Hello again, this is me, Aidin Rafif, and you on at the Aidin Rafif YouTube channel. And this video we're gonna talk about the open source. Okay, so let's get started. Open source. Depending on the open source of the Wikipedia, so open source is source code that is made freely available for possible modification and redistribution. Products include permission to use the source code, design documents, or content of the product. The open source model is a decentralized software development model that encourages open collaboration. A main principle of open source software development is peer production, with products such as source code, blueprints, and documentation freely available to the public. The open source movement in software began as a response to the limitations of prior proprietary code. Yeah, the model is used for projects such as in open source appropriate technology and open source drug discovery. Open source promotes universal access via an open source or free license up to a product's design or blueprint, and universal distribution of that design or blueprint. Before the phrase open source became widely adopted, developers and producers have used a variety of other terms. Open source gained hold with the rise of the internet. The open source software movement arose to clarify copyright, licensing, domain, and consumer issues. Generally, open source refers to a computer program in which the source code is available to the general public for use or modification from its original design. Code is released under the term of a software license. Depending on the license term, others may then download, modify, and publish their version or fork back to the community. Many large former institutions have sprung up to support the development of the open source movement, including the Apache Software Foundation, which support community projects such as the open source framework Apache Hadoop and the open source HTTP server Apache HTTP. So that's it, explaining about the open source from Wikipedia. Thank you for watching, hope you like and enjoyed, and see you on the next video. Bye.